Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game not working, not opening, crashing, crashes at startup, freezing problem, not launching or won't launch issue, black screen issue, not loading or is stuck on loading screen problem on PS5 console. So here follow the fixes. First fix is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires. Wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and then turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to restore license. So on your PS5 go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Select Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. So first of all use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible then you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and check, or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then reconnect and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. See which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Now press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press the PS button. Use the T-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Now launch the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to delete the game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Choose Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. Now if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. If not, then completely uninstall the game and then reinstall the game and then launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game not working, crashing, crashes at startup, freezing problem, not launching issue, black screen problem, or not loading or stuck on loading screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.